7th of June. More building works while sitting in the living room. Trying to revise for an exam tomorrow, commercial law and intellectual property with this noise again. Another resident having the front door replaced with a compliance door, fire and health and safety after my complaints to the landlord made January, February, March over both communal doors either side of my front door on the ground property not being closed securely throughout the day and night. And now I suffer the consequences of my complaint letters with this, impacting my exams with only 3 months left to pass the course now in August. There's no time to defer.